So our main important design consideration in building the platform was like, what kind of product do we need to build? Who are the users? Talking about personas, their needs, thoughts, feelings, and why. How do we identify their problems, and how can we help them in solving those problems in an easy and successful way? And for this, we use our success metrics. We have analytics looking into conversion rate, engagement sessions. If we look into our platform, so basically it's a website, looks like a website, but it is actually a platform within the platform. So just talking about how we put all things together and how many apps we actually have. It's 20 plus apps, application integration. And we're talking about course management and hands-on labs, and we looked into several platforms, and Instruqt was the perfect one for us. So we can do labs, hands-on labs, and we can walk through the prerequisites and the theory, materials, all of that. And of course, we have all kind of analytics behind that, running, looking into success or pain points. We have behavioral platforms watching how our users walking through what's the user journey, to how we can improve it.